morning, class 1. How are you all? You all are fine at home? Okay, so welcome to the maths online class. This is Juhi Singh, okay, your maths teacher. So come to page number 79. So take out your maths book and open page number 79. Page 79. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the new topic, that is comparison. Okay, unit 7 comparison. Okay, yes, comparisons. Okay, it is given on page number 79. So comparison means what? हम लोगों को compare करना, एक दूसरे से तुलना करना. ओके स्टूडेंट, कंपेयर करना, तुलना करना. सो कंपेयर कर रहे हैं तो लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट इट इज गिवन ना. सी हियर दिस पेज, कैन यू सी दिस? यस, नो, लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट. अबाउट लॉन्ग एंड short. Okay, so here what you are going to do, write longer and shorter below the picture. Okay, what you are going to do, आपको जो picture short लिख रही है उसमें आपको short लिखना है, shorter, and जिसमें pictures आपको long दिख रहा है there you have to put the longer. Okay, now see here, first picture is there, it is the pencil. Okay, this is the first pencil and here one more pencil is drawn. So can you compare between these two pencil? आप इन दोनों के बीच में compare कर सकते हैं. Okay, so which one is shorter? This one is shorter. Okay, क्योंकि ये छोटा है, shorter means small, and this one is longer. Shorter. This one is shorter and this one is longer. ये छोटा है और ये क्या है? बड़ा. Okay. So like this, in the next picture, belt is drawn. Okay. See, like this. And one more belt is there. One more belt is there. Okay, so here you are going to compare between these two pictures. So what you are going to do, this one is longer and this one is shorter. Okay, this belt is longer and this belt is shorter. Can you identify now? आप इसको देख सकते हैं? हाँ? So like this only, two car is also made there. One car is shorter and one is longer. Can you see this? This one is red car. Red car is shorter and yellow car is longer. Okay, so now see this. Okay, so written. Now see, next one about the car. Okay, so first one is like this, short. Okay, this one is car, and again this type car is made now. It is car. Okay, so this one is shorter, this side, and this one is what? Longer. Okay student, so you are going to write down like this. This side red color की जो कार है that one is shorter and yellow color car is longer. Okay, so do it. Now two pant is there, one pant is short, you also wearing at home, short pant, so it is the shorter and this one is longer. Okay, so here you are going to write on the shorter and here longer. Now two fish are made. One fish is longer and yellow fish. Yellow fish, can you see this? Yellow fish. Yellow fish is what? See here, this one, yellow, this black color fish is longer, okay, and yellow color fish is shorter. Again, two snakes are there. So black color snake is longer and yellow color snake is shorter. Okay, so can you do by your own? Do it. Okay, you can write down this one. Okay, now next I am trying to make the picture. One fish is there like this and one more fish is there this type. Okay, so this fish is what? Shorter, and this one is longer. Okay, now you can write. Do it. Okay, so done. Now come to page 80. Okay, page number 80. Longest and shortest. Longest and shortest. Okay, so see here, three balloons are made there. Round 1, 2, 3. Three balloons are there. Okay, what you have to find? You have to find the shortest. Shortest means सबसे छोटा and longest means सबसे बड़ा. Okay, now see here, I am making here. Okay, one balloon is like this. One is like this. And one is again like this. So what you have to find out, which one is longest and which one is shortest. So this one is longest क्योंकि ये सबसे बड़ा है. Can you see ना? ये सबसे बड़ा है तो it is the longest and it is very short. ये सबसे छोटा है. This one is short. इससे तो ये छोटा है, but इससे भी छोटा क्या है? ये है. तो this one is shortest and this one is what? Longest. Okay. So here you are going to write down this one. Okay, this one is shortest and this one is longest. Okay, this one is shortest and this one is longest. Now again, take the longest and cross the shortest. Okay, so can you see three caterpillars are made there. यहाँ पे three caterpillar हैं, 1, 2, 3. So three caterpillar में सबसे smallest caterpillar को आप को क्या करना है? There you are going to do the cross and longest one की जगह पे आपको see three caterpillar. Like this now. Okay, one caterpillar is here. then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like this, no? Then small one caterpillar is here, okay, and one, two, three, four, five. One is here, like this, ना? ये सब कैटरपिलर है. तो आप इसमें से आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि विच वन इज शॉर्टेस्ट एंड विच वन इज लॉन्गेस्ट. तो आप बताइए विच वन. दिस वन इज शॉर्टेस्ट, दिस वन और दिस वन ना. यस. सो यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, क्रॉस. एंड लॉन्गेस्ट को आपको क्या करना है, टिक. सो मैंने टिक किया लॉन्गेस्ट के पास एंड शॉर्टेस्ट के पास मैंने क्या किया है, क्रॉस किया है. ओके. नाउ सी नेक्स्ट साइड. One stick is like, one is like this and one is like this. Okay. एक ऐसा है, ऐसा एंड ऐसा. सो सी सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट वन कौन सा है, शॉर्टेस्ट कौन सा है, दिस वन इज शॉर्ट. सो मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पे, क्रॉस. एंड इन दोनों के बीच में लॉन्गेस्ट कौन सा है, दिस वन, दिस साइड. सो मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया है, टिक. ओके. सो डू इट. Okay, now see, at down activity time is there. Color the longest yellow and shortest green. The 3 pencils are made there. उसमें से आपको क्या करना है, कलर करना है. ओके. ऑन पेज नंबर 80, पेज नंबर 80 में ही आप देखिए. सो येलो कलर आपको सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट वाला जो पेंसिल दिख रहे हैं आपको, दिस वन, कैन यू सी हियर, दिस वन इज द लॉन्गेस्ट पेंसिल. ओके. Now see here, this one is the longest pencil. तो longest pencil को आपको yellow color करना है and shortest is this side. इसको आपको क्या करनी है, green color. Okay. Now see, here is carrot. तो इसमें से सबसे longest one जो है carrot, this one, इसको आपको क्या करना है, yellow color and shortest जो है उसको आपको green color करना है. So this is the activity time. Now activity time, homework. Okay, activity time जो है वो homework है. You have to do this activity on page number 80 by your own. Okay, and after that I will start longer or same length or shorter. Okay, in the next class. Till then, keep learning and do practice of all the exercises. And also stay home, stay safe. Bye.